to my channel. Glad you guys could join me today. I have gone to Savers, which is a local thrift store in my area in Connecticut. And believe it or not, there wasn't that many good finds today. I did find a couple of good things, but this time it was in home decor, and my husband and I are starting back at the gym on Tuesday. And lo and behold, I don't know where any of my exercise leggings are or anything like that. So I was going to go buy some new ones. And then I was like, well, let me just check through Savers and see what they have. And I'm so glad I did that. So for those of you who have been following for a long time, I usually don't buy anything clothes related at the thrift store. So this was kind of my first time. So I'm going to try it out and see how I liked it. And I might start going through those racks, you know, when I go. But I wanted to also take a moment to say thank you for everybody who wished me a happy birthday. It was this past Saturday, the 28th, and I turned 55. So it was so nice to get all of those beautiful messages from all of my wonderful friends here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. And just thank you for taking the time out of your day to wish me a happy birthday. Because things like that just mean the world to me because they come from your heart, and that means the most. Anyway, I know you want to see what I got. But first I did film a little bit in the thrift store, and you can see like the shelves have been like completely picked over and just, you know, not a lot to choose from. That's why I only got a few home decor items, but let me show you what I got. So as you can see, I didn't film that much, but I wanted to show you some of the things that were there. And one of the things I was kind of thrifting for is I have this kind of piece of wood in my kitchen with pegs on it, and I switch it out all the time. And I was trying to find, you know, different things I could hang from there. I found nothing, like nothing. So it's just going to stay as is for now. But I did come across something that was a little bit unusual, at least to what I have seen. And I have two hutches. I have an older antique hutch, and I have a hutch that I painted like this very antique green. And it's so pretty. And I have one big like white soup tureen in there. And the second shelf down is a little bit, it won't hold a big tureen, and they're usually all so big. But in Savers for $6.49, which was a little steep, I might add, but they had this little baby soup tureen. And I just thought it was the cutest thing ever because it's small enough to fit in that shelf. And the only branding it has on it, it says USA on the bottom. That's it. So I don't know if it's vintage or antique or I have no idea. But anyway, I love it just the same. And it's just so pretty. And so that is going to be going in my hutch. And I'm so excited that I found one that was small enough, you know, to fit in that size space, because they're usually just quite massive. So finding one that fit perfectly, I was really happy about. So sometimes you don't find everything you want, but you come home with a surprise. And that's the thing about thrifting is you never know what you're going to come home with. So that's really interesting. But I also wanted to share with you guys that, yeah, you see me go thrifting a lot, but I also donate a lot. So I don't go thrifting unless I have stuff to donate. So a lot of stuff goes back that I'm not using anymore. I was very farmhouse before, so little bit by little bit, as I'm cleaning out cabinets, I'm kind of getting rid of the farmhouse things and just focusing solely on the English countryside cottage kind of look. So that explains that. So the next thing I found was just this cute little candle holder. It was $1.99. And I'm going to put this on my mantle with one of my beeswax candles in it. I just thought it was just like so cute. And I so wish that they had 2 or a few more of them because I would have bought them. But that's all it was. And it was $1.99. And it's just so cute. And my beeswax candles look so cute in it. So I'm so excited. Got that. And then the only other thing I got that was home decor related was this vintage frame, which was $1.79. Sorry about the ring light. But I have a picture on my nightstand over there of myself and my son, a black and white picture. And I was always looking for some kind of a frame because right now it's just in a crappy frame. But I wanted something that kind of looked, you know, English vintage. So I thought this fit the bill. It is very heavy, and it does have like this little design kind of etched into it. And again, I don't know if it's antique or not, but all I know is it does have the look I was looking for. So I was happy to grab that. And believe it or not, that is it of home decor. Now we move on to the other items that I picked up. And believe it or not, and I don't know if you guys lose your socks. I lose my socks all the time. I have no idea where they are. So they had like on the wall, like by like where you would find like the shoes and bags and things like that. They had all of these everyday essentials, little white socks. So I grabbed, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7 pairs. Oh, it says it right on the side. I didn't have to count. Blonde moment. Well, fake blonde moment. I'm actually a brunette. But anyway, so there's 7 pairs in here and they were $1.99. So I thought that's great since they're going to get lost anyway. And I don't know what I do with them. I wash them and then they just don't come back. So I have no idea. But there's a whole bunch of socks somewhere that are mine. So anyway, I bought these because especially like with now starting back to go to the gym and things like that, I'll always want to wear socks under my workout sneakers. So I've got those. And then I got this. So you know what? Let me show you my vanity so I can show you my thought process. So hold on, let me turn. Okay, hi. All right, so this is my vanity. So I have this antique mirror that you saw. I have this little antique desk that I thrifted. And you guys saw this shelf before. I also thrifted the shelf. I didn't have anywhere to put it, so I put it right here. So anyway, this is where I get ready each day. And I have my microfiber cloth right there. My skin wand right there. So I have all of my skincare in here. You can see all my skincare's in there. And then over here on this one, and this one is all of my everyday makeup that I'm using currently. And I do switch it out from time to time. So I have these 2 bags on here, but I kind of wanted to get rid of them. And I just have these pretty silk flowers. Some little antique odds and ends and just my brushes, things like that. So that's my vanity area for now. I'm sure this will change again one day. But anyway, I didn't want to have these two separate, like a separate makeup bag for the makeup I'm currently using, and then this. And there's like this little end table over here, and that's filled with makeup. So, but I just keep out what I use on the daily, and then if I want to switch anything out, it's right over there. But at Savers, I found this beautiful bag, and it was $13.99, and it was on sale for half off. So it was like $6.50 something. And it's this really pretty Betsy Johnson bag, and I love her bags so much. And it is just massive on the inside. So it has two separate sections, which I thought was fantastic. So I'm going to switch everything out, and I'm gonna put all of my skincare that I use, moisturizers and things like that, on one side, and then all my makeup I'm currently using on the other side. And then I can just zip it up, and I could leave it right here on the vanity. I could put it underneath the vanity. I could put it on top of this little end table I have. And if it stays out, I don't care, because it is just so pretty. And I love the black, and I love like the pink roses or flowers, whatever they are. But I thought it was just so pretty, and I love Betsy Johnson. Like, I love all of her bags and things like that. That was dust. I got a dust in here again. I just dusted yesterday. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to use this bag. Instead of having two bags, I'll just have one. So I thought that was a great buy, and I just love it. I don't even know if anybody even used this, truthfully. I mean, there's not a makeup spot on it. There's nothing on it. So I think somebody bought it and forgot they had it, and then just ended up donating it. So thank you very much, whoever you were. And then the next items of clothing that I purchased are all workout related, because I needed to get some things. So first thing I got was this little workout, just like a little hoodie. No, there's no hood, so it's just like a little workout jacket, and it has like the thumbs that can come through. So this one was $10.99, and it was $5 50% off. So I paid like $5 for it, and I love it. I like the color too. I think the color is really pretty. So I got that jacket. And then I also got this one. And this one was also 50% off. And it's a dance skin. And this one was $9.49. So it was like $4.50 something. And just this really pretty, I think it's like a dark blue color jacket, and it also has the thumbs that come through. So they're like yoga jackets, dance skin jackets, workout jackets, and things like that. That's usually the brands that I went for. But yeah, if I went to go buy this in the store, it would cost me a kidney. So now I can keep my kidney. So I got that one too, and I got one more. Just had a few to switch in and out of. So I really liked this one too. And this one is a dance skin. And this one was $7.29. No discount on this one, but that's okay. And I love this color blue. It's like an electric blue kind of color. And this one also has the thing that your thumb can come out of. So I really loved these, and I thought with what I'm going to wear to the gym, because you got to plan out your outfit too to go to the gym. So I could wear any kind of black tank I want, and then I can have these on if I'm cooler. And as I start to warm up, I can just tie it around my waist, and I can put it back on before I go back out to the car. And that was dance skin, and just love it. And then the last two things I got was, these were Old Navy workout leggings, and they're so cute, and I liked the color. I didn't want to just all be in black. I'm trying to break my all black pattern because I'm blonde Morticia. That's what my husband calls me, and everybody at work calls me the Infinity Ninja. So, because I'm always all in black. So I'm starting to add some colors in, ladies. So it's a big step for me, because I usually just wear black. So these ones were $8.29, and it has like the pocket for your cell phone, which I like. And I think these ones come a little bit above the ankle. But I really like, this kind of workout like nylon material. So I was really happy to find it. So I got that. And I already had a pair of black workout leggings. So I have those. I've already had those. And then this brand is Apana, A-P-A-N-A. I don't know who's that spy. You guys might know. I have no idea. But they're kind of like a Lululemon. That's what they remind me of. and they're so cute, and they're this nice versatile blue. They were $9.29, and I just love them. And all of the things I got look like they've pretty much never been worn, or if they have been worn, very, very, very little. So I'm gonna pop all those in the washing machine tonight and get ready when we start our workouts on Tuesday. So I think that was it. That's all I got this week. So not a big week by any means, but I will insert a clip of everything home related that I thrifted. I will insert in a clip in a minute, and you can just see, you know, where the things ended up and if what I got worked out. So anyway, that's my video for today. Thank you for being here today, and thank you for your friendship and, you know, being on my channel and, you know, always tuning in. So thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at treasuresbytina28, because I'm starting to do a lot more reels, and I'm gonna start doing some decorating over there, some daily things over there that won't actually be made into a YouTube video. So if you want to see more behind the scenes, if you want to see more of my life, if you want to see more of the things that I do on the daily, some recipes maybe, who knows, whatever I feel like doing on that day. Mostly everything on Instagram is going to be home related. So whether it's, that's dust. God, I'm so embarrassed I dusted. Oh well, this light picks up everything, I guess. But anyway, make sure you follow me over there for some daily things. I'm really trying to amp up my Instagram as well as my YouTube, so give you guys much more content to watch. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you for the next video on Friday. So bye everybody. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.